My name is GAURAV Patidar. This is my DIY project 2, in which we are using the CURA software for making the printing command for the 3D of the pieces which we made in the FREECAD software. Now we are exporting all this complete body to the CURA software so that we can prepare it for the printing. Like the simply we can't print the this hanging fans, but we have created the meshes structure for the support of this. Like we go to the print setting, and then choosing the best best options, like so that it can be made in very much less time, like it is just taking 2 hours and 55 minutes. And this is due to the configurations I made, like layer quality I have decreased the layer qualities, and like infill density I have decreased it to very less, because we definitely we it is just going to support a very thin part, the upper part, and not have to carry much load. So I decrease the infill density. Similarly, printing temperature should be good, because it affects the initial print. It affects the break. It affects the quality of the body, and printing speed should be high so that it can be made in a particular enough time. Otherwise, it would take the days. And in the same case, cooling, we should be enable the print cooling, so that our body during the creation starts cooling, and the support becomes strong, so that it can support the two. There we have used the support extruder one, and we have used the only skirt, since this is called the skirt. If you see, in this case, this is called the skirt. This line case is called the skirt, and we have taken because it takes the minimum mass of the things. And similarly, we can also use the other, but the skirt would take the minimum. And this is all about my project. My roll number is 20AG30014. This is 2 hours to 55 minutes. Now we can save to the file, and if you want to see, like it would be making like this. This is the thing. This is the case. Thank you.